if you're looking to help the insects, the bees and the butterflies stay hydrated this summer, this is the perfect solution for you. And thank you to the team for very kindly gifting these to me for my garden. I really appreciate it. And these are absolutely stunning. They are really good quality, I have to say. They come to you like in a little box and you put it together. You don't need any tools for this. It goes together super, super easy. You just screw them together. And you can have them at different heights. I had them both at full height. And on the base there, they do have a little stake, which you stake into the ground, so they're freestanding. And once you've put them into the ground, you fill the top part where the petals are with water so the insects can rest and have a drink and a break. Now, the good thing is they are designed specifically so that the insects don't drown because of the shape of them. So they're really insect friendly. And there's also some additional marbles you can put in there to give the insects, depending on their size, something to rest on so that they are nice and safe. Aside from being really practical and great for the insects in your garden, they are absolutely beautiful. They just really blend in and give a really lovely pop of colour to the garden, I think. And you just fill them up like that. And the marbles are optional, but I think they look fab as well. And they do a great job. And you just keep it topped up for the insects and things to come into the garden. Absolutely fabulous. Thanks again to the team. These are absolutely beautiful.